the previous class we have done 6th, 7th questions in workbook. Today we are going to do the 8th question in page number 43 workbook. Today we are going to do the 8th question in page number 43 workbook. Okay children. Now I am going to read the 8th question. Simplify the given expressions. Decode the code to get the secret word using the letters corresponding to the answer. So here there is a code given and we have to decode it. Okay children, by solving the sums. We have to decode the secret word by solving the expressions given here. Okay children, let us do the first sum. Here the code is given. A means 79. A means 79. E means 24. E means 24. And J means 300. J means 300. K means 324. And B means 616. M means 72. So now we have to decode these codes to get the secret code. Okay children. How many we get these codes by solving the expressions? So the first question is 179 minus 25 into 4. First we have to solve this equation. Okay children. So according to the BODMAS rule, first we have to do multiplication. So 25 into 4. 179 minus 25 fours are 100. 25 fours are 100. 179 minus 100 is equals to 79. So the answer is 79. Now let us solve the D question. 48 plus 15 minus 7 into 3. So according to the BODMAS rule, first we have to solve the terms inside the bracket. So 48 plus 15 minus 7 is 8. 8 into 3. So after solving the terms inside the bracket, now we have to do the multiplication according to the BODMAS rule. So 48 plus 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. Now let us add these two terms. So 48 plus 24. 8 plus 4 is 12. 4 plus 2 is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. So the answer is 72. Okay children. The first one is 79. Second one is 72. Now let us do the third sum. That is 256 divided by 60 plus 18 into 18 minus 40. Now we have to solve this equation. Okay. Now we have to solve this equation. According to the BODMAS rule, first we have to do the division. That means you have to divide 256 with 16. So 16 16s are 256. So you will get the answer 16 here. So next plus 18 into 18 minus 40. So after division, according to the BODMAS rule, you have to do the multiplication. So 18 into 18. 16 plus 324 minus 40. 18 18s are 324. So after multiplication, you have to do the addition. So now you have to add 16 and 324. 324 plus 16. 6 plus 4 is 10. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. That is 340. After addition, you have to do the subtraction. 340 minus 40. 0, 0, 3. So the answer is 300. Here the answer is 300. In the bottom of the question, you are given the secret word. In the bottom of the question, you are given the secret word. Now we have to write the answers here to get the secret word. So, secret word. Secret word is, in the first box you have to write the answer C. What is the answer C? Answer C is 300. 300 means J. Answer C is 300 and 300 means J. So the first one is J. The first letter is J. And in the second box you have to write the answer A. What is the answer A? The answer A is 79. 79 means A. 79, the code for 79 is A. And in the third box you have to write the answer B. And in the third box you have to write the answer B. Here the answer B is 72. The code for 72 is M. The code for 72 is M. So the secret word is jam. So the secret word is jam. Okay children? That is the 8th question. Now let us do the 9th question. Now let us do the 9th question. So what is the 9th question? Change the given statements into numerical expressions. Change the given statements into numerical expressions. The first one is 14. 14 is the number. 14 is the number get by increasing 8 by 6. 14 is the number get by increasing 8 by 6. Here increasing means you have to do addition. So you have to increase 8 by 6, which means you have to place addition symbol between 8 and 6. Increasing means you have to place the plus symbol. So 8 plus 6 is how much? 14. So 14 is the number get by increasing 8 by 6. Okay children, let us do the B sum. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 7 is 21. Times means you have to do multiplication. So 3 times 7 means 3 into 7 is equal to 21. Times means you have to do multiplication. Okay children? Let us do the C sum. 9 times 8 is 72. 9 times 8 is 72. Here times means you have to do multiplication. Times means you have to do multiplication. 9 times 8 is 72. 9 times 8 is 72. Next D question. 69 subtracted from 4 times 18 is 4 times 18 is 3. 69. 69 subtracted from 4 times 18. Times means multiplication, which means you have to subtract 69 from 4 times of 18 and is equals to how much? And this is equals to 3 and this is equals to 3. Did you understand, children? 4 times 18 means 4 into 18 and you have to subtract 69 from 4 times 18. Subtract 69 from 4 times 18 is 3. Okay, children. Now let us do the sum. 32 is 12 times 2, 12 times 2 and adding 8 to it, which means you will get 32 by multiplying 12 into 2 and by adding 8 to it. Times means multiplication, isn't it? Times means multiplication. 12 times 2 means 12 into 2. 12 into 2 and adding 8 to it. And adding 8 to it. So what will you get? 32. You will get 32. You will get 32 by writing 12 times 2 and adding 8 to it. Okay, children, by writing 12 times 2 and adding 8 to it. If you want to get 32, what you have to do? You have to write down 12 times 2 and you have to add 8 to it. Okay, children. So 12 times. Times means into. 12 2s are 24 and 24 plus 8 is 32. Okay, children. Did you understand? Okay, let us do the 10th question. Let us do the 10th question now. So what is the 10th question? So the 10th question is, a number is 5 less than the product of 95 and 3. A number is 5 less than product of 95 and 3. Find the number. Find the number. So a number is 5 less than. Less means you have to subtract. And product means you have to multiply. So you have to multiply 95 and 3. Now to multiply 95 and 3. And then you have to subtract 5 from it. So a number is 5 less than. 5 less means you have to do subtraction. It is less than which thing? The number is less than the product of 95 and 3. Product means you have to do multiplication. So 95 into 3 minus 5. So the number is 5 less than 95 and the product of 95 and 3. Okay, children. 9 5 3 5s are 15. 3 9s are 27 plus 1 28 minus 5. So 285 minus 8 is 280. So the number is 280. Did you understand, children? The number is 5 less than. It is less means you have to do subtraction. By which it is less? It is less than the product of 95 and 3. Product of 95 and 3. Product means you have to do multiplication and you have to subtract 5 from it. So the product of 95 and 3 is 285 and by subtracting 5 from it you get 280. Okay, children, let us do the 11th sum. So what is the 11th one? The number is 2 more than the difference of 100 and 15. The difference of 100 and 15. Find the number. So here more than means you have to do addition. More than means you have to do addition, and difference means you have to do the subtraction. The difference of 150. Difference means you have to place the symbol minus between 150 and 2 more than. 2 more means you have to do addition. More means you have to do addition. So the number is 2 more than the difference of 150. 2 more than the difference of 150. Difference means you have to place minus. More means you have to place plus. So 100 minus 15 is how much? 100 minus 15 is 85. And 85 plus 2. 85 plus 2 is equals to 87. 85 plus 2 is 87. So the answer is 87. Okay children, did you understand?